Well, Marisol, you heard the man. If you like pina coladas,
Yeah.
and also getting caught in the rain, then you have come to the right place.
That's absolutely right.
Because today is National Pina Colada Day, and our taste buds are going for a little spin. So we've got an easy and delicious pina colada recipe to show you, one with and one without alcohol.
Yes. Good thing we have a new friend skilled in this sort of thing to show us how it's done. Welcome, owner of the Cordial Cocktail Company, Michael Flannery. Hello, sir.
Hello, ladies. Thank you for having me.
Do you like getting caught in the rain?
It is a fun time when you're on the beach. Eric Rupert is a great singer. Can you name the song, though? It is not the Pina Colada song.
No, it's called, yes, I know what it's called.
Great bar trivia. The title is actually called Escape.
Escape, yes. I don't know, I was going to say The Great Escape.
I never knew that. Oh my gosh, see, you gotta
Escape
watch
in
this.
parentheses the pina colada.
Watch this program, you'll learn something new.
There we go. There we go.
That makes sense. What do you got for us here?
A classic cocktail that originally was created in Puerto Rico at the Hilton Hotel.
Obviamente, dale boricua, yo soy boricua, para que tú
Yo
lo sepas.
soy boricua. And she doesn't like frozen drinks.
Well, you know what? You're gonna change my mind.
They're guilty pleasures.
Thank you.
Yes.
So that's where I wanted to make it on the rocks because it's a great way to do it. So
A pina colada
So
on
it's
the
shaken
rocks.
over a blended.
correct.
Ah, this is fancy.
I've never had this.
Me neither.
Okay,
First
we're all
for
ears.
everything.
Do things to do. So, being it's going to be a pina colada, we're going to have to start with some rum.
Yes.
Obvious.
And we're doing 2 cocktails here. So I'm going to
Yes.
start with 3 ounces of rum. We do
Okay.
an ounce and a half of each.
And that's
Beautiful.
Bacardi, like a good
Bacardi.
Puerto Rican.
We're going to Puerto Rico here.
You like that?
Then we use Fresh Victor, a great
Victor.
company. These are fresh pressed juices that take the bartending job out of doing the bartending job.
There we go. Now, what
Makes it
flavor
very
are we
easy at
looking
home for you. This is pineapple and lemon.
Well, of course.
Or pineapple and ginger, sorry.
Pineapple and ginger.
Oh, this is a ginger
That's nice.
pina colada.
That's a nice
Well,
little,
a little
what's
twist.
happening here?
And then also because you've got a pina colada, we have to have the Coco Lopez.
Oh.
So Coco Lopez comes
some
into it.
classic things you
You know
have
him?
to
A
keep.
nice guy, Coco
You
Lopez?
cannot
Lopez is
change
great.
that part of
Used
it.
to hang out with him on Secor Avenue. I have no idea who Coco Lopez is.
So.
But I do know Secor Avenue.
But that is how the coconut flavor comes in there.
That's beautiful.
So because it's a great thing, we're going to shake up this cocktail. Because we want to be in Puerto Rico, we want to dance, and we want to have some good rhythm.
Okay.
Do you want more shaking?
Yeah!
We'll get back to next.
Okay, this is
Ooh, and a
news
coupe
to me.
glass.
This is news to me that a pina colada could be shaken and not blended.
Well, the 3 ingredients will blend together,
Yeah.
but not necessarily with more ice to be diluting it.
Okay.
So I have a few ice cubes into the glass just to make it look nice and full.
In
And a coupe, like a lady or
like
gentleman.
a lady or a gentleman.
And nice
Oh,
pieces
this
of
is
pineapple,
garnish.
just to make sure they come through.
Wow.
And then
Whoa,
for the
whoa,
two
whoa,
of
whoa.
you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you kindly.
This looks incredibly refreshing. Cheers.
Cheers. How do you say it in Spanish?
Salud.
Salud. Listen to that. That was the sound of my taste buds exploding. I love it.
That is delicious.
I love it. I may love it more than the Frozen Brother.
Wow, that's nice. You do good
fun
work.
things.
All right, next.
Fantastic.
And then also,
Ooh.
all day long, we're going to have other things that we don't want to always have alcohol in our drinks.
Correct.
So sometimes we want to do non-alcohol.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
And also guilty pleasures, when I'm by the pool, I always think of, with pina coladas, the other classic cocktail that goes with it is a Miami Vice or a strawberry daiquiri.
I
So-
love a
You know
Miami
what,
Vice.
Michael?
I
I'm gonna
love a
move-
Miami
I'm gonna-
Vice. Here we go, buddy.
So,
Let's go.
in
What
doing that with a
exactly-
non-alcoholic,
To my girlfriend, Khaki. It's her favorite drink.
What exactly is a Miami Vice?
it is really only the 2 cocktails together. Your strawberry daiquiri and a pina colada. So you
It's
can layer
the
them together, you can
That's why
blend them
it's the
together.
red on the white or the white on the red.
You mentioned a Miami Vice to me
Yes.
months ago, and I thought you were crazy.
The Tiki Bar, Martel's Tiki Bar down the shore in Jersey, in New Jersey.
Okay, fine.
Jenkinson's Boardwalk.
Here
Jonathan
we
knows
go.
what I'm talking about.
Oh, shoot. Okay, so you started with what?
So I'm doing the pineapple again.
Okay,
Pineapple and
sure,
So it
ginger.
starts the pace of
And this
the
is-
pina colada.
And this is the
And then
strawberry
now the
business.
strawberry and lemon.
Okay. I
So
like
we get
this.
both of those in there.
Beautiful.
The perfect
And
fusion.
actually, we're doing
this back.
2 of you here.
Two of us.
I love your
take another
accoutrement. You've got this whole little tiki thing, the pineapple. You've
It is
got
like
the
we're down the shore.
straws. It is.
Or out east.
This is fantastic. You know what? We're celebrating Dr. Lander's birthday.
Happy
Here we go.
50th to the
Oh, look,
doctor.
another.
And then now we get to shake again.
Fantastic. I can never
Wow.
shake that well.
Me neither. It goes everywhere.
Yeah.
And with these, because we're doing non-alcoholic, I'm going to top them off into your glasses.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
But also, to make it more refreshing, just always elongating a
real.
drink, we do a little soda water,
love that.
top off the drinks.
Something about
Really the
fizzy
Light,
water
refreshing.
elevates a drink.
It does.
And you've
I
got all the
actually
fresh
prefer-
juices in here, though. That
That's
way,
right.
it's the base of the drink.
And then a garnish.
And then, of course, you're always going to have pieces of strawberries.
Ooh.
Look at this.
Nice.
We're
I
going to
love
have
that.
them there.
I love that. I love
Michael.
that so much. Thank you.
This has been a treat.
Here you are.
You've treated us to a treat.
Thank you kindly. Here,
Can
Marty.
You want to do
And,
a...
so,
Oh, yes.
and your
Oh my
straws.
gosh, let's see.
That is divine.
Heavenly.
Divine.
Wow, that's good. All
You
right.
don't always have to give alcohol to your guests. Non-alcoholic
right.
trending
That's
is
right.
very good for cocktails, healthier.
That's right.
And when
You
you're in the
don't wake
pool all
up
day,
all
you don't need
disastrous.
drinks all day
Yes,
long.
you need to
Healthy.
hydrate a little bit for the dehydration.
Remind the good folks at home where we can find you.
My company is called Cordial Cocktail Company. I work out in the Hamptons quite a bit during the summer.
Oh.
I'm based here in New York City, though, and work with multiple brands like this.
All these brands.
Fantastic. And don't worry, everybody at home, we're going to post both these recipes to our website, pix11.com.
It has been a pleasure.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ladies.
Well, cheers. Salud.
Salud
Shandan.
to you.
Okay.